Don't do that.
Sir, let go now. You need to let him have the dog.
Not with that on her.
I'm sorry I didn't go home, Lucas.
We'll come get you. Understand?
Please.
It hurt so much, but I had to keep going.
No way.
Bella? What happened to you, girl?
Lucas?
It can't be.
Bella!